Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something super exciting lined up for you. We're diving into making video using AI, and you won't want to miss it. So grab a snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First of all, the thing is to do is open your Google Chrome and text in video.ai. Then click in video.ai and open it. You show this interface after open in video.ai. After sing up, click try in video.ai. You show this interface AI. Then click YouTube Explainer. This part is very easy to do, so I'll walk you through it. So the first thing you need to do is select how long you'd want your video to be. So as you can see, it gives you many options from 15 seconds to 25 minutes. But if you want it even longer, you could simply type that into the other section over here. But just for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to keep it to a 2-minute long video. And now it says here, give it an engaging topic and things that it should or should not talk about in your video, so you know the title of your video. So in my case, it's the 12 best places to visit in Albania. So I'll simply paste this in, and then I could add more to this prompt if I would want. I recommend you do so. And then next it says add relevant facts and opinions about the video. This is to give it a guide of how you'd want your video to be. So I like to say things like use analogies, and then I'll give it a bit of a guide of the flow. I'd information or less, again, it's up to you, but I do recommend the more information you could give this AI, the better, and the more unique to yourself your video will be. After this, you want to add in a type of background music, so I'll say upbeat and happy, and then next you want to select the language you'd want your video to be in. Now, as you could see, in video has many, and I'm in many different languages. You could choose from almost every language, maybe your native language, or for a specific audience, you can very well do so, but I'm going to keep mine to English. And then next it's moving on to the settings of the video. The first thing you need to do is the voiceover. So for your voiceover, you need to select the type of person you want to give it. So in my case, I'm going to say a male. And then again, there's many options you could choose for the type of voice or accent. So in my case, I want to switch it up. I want to go for something like a young British voice. Then you want to keep this as the narrator. Next, you want to go ahead to select whether you want subtitles or your video or not. I always recommend using them, but there are some instances where it doesn't quite fit the video, but you could always remove it later. So as you can see, there are taken from, so I like to keep this on YouTube's audio, but again, the choice is up to you. From here, all you need to do is click continue, and now as you can see, the settings have been added into the prompt box. So from here, all you need to do is simply click where it says generate a video, and then next it's going to ask you what you'd want for your video. So I'd like to keep mine as bright as adventure lovers. I would do this in video. AI will go ahead to create the free. We'll be right back. You continue like my setting and the press continue. After some, the video you generated will be ready. The check your video and press to download. Guys, subscribe channel please for more my videos about your information.